In this video, you will learn how to get a refund on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app or website. Launch the DoorDash app on your phone or go to the website, then log into your account. Go to orders. Tap on the orders tab to view your recent order history. Select the problem order. Find the order you have an issue with, then make sure to tap on it. Report the issue. Tap I have an issue with this order. Then choose the appropriate reason, such as missing items, incorrect order, or order never arrived. Add any helpful details, or you can even upload photos if needed. Submit the request. Follow the prompts to submit your complaint. DoorDash will receive it and issues a refund or credit if you are approved. Wait for confirmation. You will receive a notification once a refund or credit has been processed. Now you know how to request and get a refund on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.